Well, hello everybody, welcome to our channel. I am back with a new video, and for today's video I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you unregister all events on Google Play Store app. So in order to unregister all events on the Google Play, you just have to follow these simple steps. First of all, what you want to do is make sure to launch to your Play Store application, and then you want to click the initials from the top right hand side corner of your screen. Then you want to go ahead and click on settings. As you go to settings, you want to go to general. Then you want to go ahead and look for account and devices preferences. Once you do it, so here you could see all of these sections, right? So over here you just have to scroll down a bit and go to the section of history. Underneath you could find a lot of options, but right in the bottom or second last option you could see there is unregister for all upcoming events. You just have to make sure to tap on it and click on unregister. Now you could see there is an indication that this will unregister your account from all upcoming events. That means the account will be unregistered. So if you're sure about it, you press the unregister button and then refresh the application, and with that being said, you've successfully unregistered all events on Google Play Store. So that's the way it works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.